Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the rotating and vibrating Rabbit Vibe by the Teazers collection. So let's get started. So this is the rotating and vibrating Rabbit Vibe itself. And this unique Rabbit vibrator is a must-have thanks to its many functions. It not only vibrates but also rotates, and both functions can be used together or separately. There are 25 settings in total, 12 rotation settings and 13 vibration settings and 3 powerful motors. The material is made of a silky soft silicone, so it's very soft and smooth on the skin, and there are 2 flexible clitoral stimulator ears just here as well. There's also a handle, so handling this toy is really easy and simple as well. To turn on the toy, press and hold on the bottom button, and both the rotation and the clitoral stimulator vibrator are both on. Now to change the settings on the vibrator, click on the top button, and to change the settings on the rotation, click on the middle button. For example, if you wanted to turn off the vibrations, press and hold down, and it's off, leaving just the rotation on. Similar, if you want to turn off the rotation, simply press and hold down on the middle button, and both are now off. To turn off the toy completely, press and hold down on the bottom button, and everything is now off. To charge, it's really simple and easy to do. Simply use the USB charging cable provided, and slot it in like so. Now, when using the rotating and vibrating Rabbit Vibe, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean the toy after every use using toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth. And that is the rotating and vibrating Rabbit Vibe by the Teazers collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.